Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to connect to another computer using Google Chrome. This can help you access files or provide remote support. You can either go and search for extensions like AnyDesk in Google or download them, or I can show you a simpler way. First, go to your search bar and search for Quick Assist. Now, in the device that you want to work on, ask them for a security code. And if you want to help someone, they must share their screens first. As you can see, this is my security code for now, which changes or expires in about 10 minutes. And after another device inserts this security code, he will have access to my computer and use it remotely without using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next DelftStack tutorial video.